Whenever we see the evil thoughts and customs that are spread around us, we feel disappointed about it. We only wish that our society gets rid of all these evil practices. Sometimes we strongly desire to bring a change in the society, no matter, even if we need to resort to revolution for this, no matter, even if we need to destroy the present system just to rebuild a better nation. Namaste and welcome to Hindi with Bindu Udayan, where you will be getting English explanation to your Hindi lessons. Here is a poem from class 7th, Viplav Gayan, written by Bal Krishna Sharma Naveen. A poem influenced by progressivism, Pragativad. Viplav Gayan, a call for revolt. Here is the 20th lesson from class 7th, Viplav Gayan, written by Bal Krishna Sharma Naveen. Viplav Gayan, a call for revolt. कवि बाल कृष्ण शर्मा नवीन का जन्म 8 दिसंबर सन 1897 को मध्य प्रदेश राज्य के ग्वालियर शहर के भयाना नामक गांव में हुआ. This revolutionary poet was born on 8 December 1897 in Madhya Pradesh, ग्वालियर. वे एक महान लेखक होने के साथ ही अच्छे पत्रकार और राजनेता भी थे. वे सन 1952 से लेकर अपनी अंतिम घड़ियों तक संसद के सदस्य रहे. Apart from being a great poet, he was a journalist and a political leader too, who was the member of parliament since 1952. His prominent writings are Rashmi Rekha, Urmila, Kumkum, Apalak, etc. He was rewarded with Padma Bhushan for his contribution in the field of education and literature in 1960. कवि बाल कृष्ण शर्मा नवीन की कविता विप्लव गायन एक ओजपूर्ण कविता है जो रौद्र भाव से भरी है. विप्लव गायन is a vigorous poem written by the poet Bal Krishna Sharma Naveen. It is a poem filled with terrific rage. कवि के मन में वर्तमान व्यवस्था के प्रति आक्रोश है. वही क्रांति गीत के रूप में निकल रहा है. The poet has immense dissatisfaction and anger against the prevailing social system, and this has come out in the form of a revolutionary poem. कविता का मूल भाव है गलत रीति रिवाजों, रूढ़िवादी विचारों व परस्पर भेदभाव त्याग कर नव निर्माण के लिए जनता को प्रेरित करना. The main theme of this poem is to propel the common man to raise his voice and to revolt against the inappropriate customs and traditions, outdated thoughts, and the discrimination found prevalent in the society. इसीलिए इस कविता का शीर्षक विप्लव गायन रखा गया है, जिसका अर्थ है क्रांति के लिए आह्वान करना. For this very same reason, this poem is titled Viplav Gayan, which means a call for revolt. विप्लव गायन. कवि कुछ ऐसी तान सुनाओ जिससे उथल पुथल मच जाए. एक हिलोर इधर से आए, एक हिलोर उधर से आए. सावधान, मेरी वीणा में चिंगारियां आन बैठी हैं. टूटी हैं मिज़राबें, अंगुलियां दोनों मेरी ऐंठी हैं. कंठ रुका है महानाश का, मारक गीत रुद्ध होता है. आग लगेगी क्षण में, हृतल में अब क्षुब्ध युद्ध होता है. झाड़ और झंखाड़ दग्ध हैं इस ज्वलंत गायन के स्वर से. रुद्ध गीत की क्रुद्ध तान है निकली मेरे अंतर मन से. कण कण में है व्याप्त वही स्वर, रोम रोम गाता है वह ध्वनि. वही तान गाती रहती है कालकूट फणि की चिंतामणि. आज देख आया हूं जीवन के सब राज समझ आया हूं. भ्रू विलास में महानाश के पोषक सूत्र परख आया हूं. The poet seems to be upset seeing the evil practices around him and wishes to bring valuable changes in the society. He is angry and doesn't desire to write beautiful and soothing poems anymore. The poet says to himself, कवि कुछ ऐसी तान सुनाओ जिससे उथल पुथल मच जाए. He motivates himself to write such songs and tunes which can bring about a bustle, uthal puthal in the society, which can stir up the entire society. Write something which, when heard, the society which is chained in these passive and time old moralities is awakened to bring about revolution. Listening to this energizing song, people should be filled with the desire to change the society. एक हिलोर इधर से आए, एक हिलोर उधर से आए. Hiloor is the wave. Kranti ki hiloor, the wave of rebellion. Bring about a rebellion, a revolt everywhere. Idhar, udhar, everywhere, all over. Let all the people come forward to fight against and abolish all the social evils prevalent in the society. Further, the inner voice of the poet says, Savdhan, meri veena mein chingariyan aan baithi hain. Veena is the poet's thought, his mind, his heart. Veena that used to produce beautiful tunes is giving out aggressive notes now. He says, Meri veena mein chingariyan aan baithi hain. I am filled with aggressive thoughts. If you want me to compose a beautiful song, then I will not be able to do so. I won't be able to do so because my mind is disturbed. It is agitated. My heart, which is like a veena, is producing sparks, chingariya. My heart is filled with the flames of rebellion. It's filled with the rage against this mismanagement seen around me, and I desire to change this society. With this mindset, I cannot compose beautiful songs. टूटी है मिज़राबी, अंगुलियां दोनों मेरी ऐंठी हैं. Mizrab is a plectrum, a strand of iron used to strike the strings of veena to produce the music. The poet says, because of the desire for revolt and because of the anger in me, the plectrum, the mizrab that is used to play the veena of my mind is shattered. Mizrabi toot gayi hain and my fingers have turned stiff. Anguliyan aint gayi hain. That means all the soft feelings inside me is dead. My only wish is to revolt, and through this revolt, I wish to change the society. कंठ रुका है महानाश का, मारक गीत रुद्ध होता है. Kanth is the throat. Mahanash is destruction. Marak, fatal, something that causes death. Ruddh, stopped. The poet says that because of over-aggressiveness, because of the tide of excitement soaring inside me, kanth ruka hua hai, my throat is not able to express the words. It is not able to bring out my thoughts. The thoughts which are destructive, mahanashka, the words that are destructive, that can bring about a change in the society. My sound is struck there in my throat. Marak Geet Ruddh Hota Hai. Marak Geet is the song proclaiming destruction. The song proclaiming my revolt is stopped inside me. Aag lagegi kshan mein. But the poet believes that this unexpressed song itself is enough to bring about a change in the society. He says, but when this change is brought about, once it happens, then there would be no stopping. Aag lagegi kshan mein, and within moments, this revolt will spread like fire. Hrittal mein ab kshubdh yuddh hota hai. Hrittal is within the heart of the poet. He says, Hrittal mein, within my heart, there is a conflict going on in my heart. I am struggling. Kshubdh yuddh is the struggle within. I am struggling within. I am not able to express my aggression completely. I am fighting within against the negative forces in this society. झाड़ और झंखाड़ दग्ध हैं, इस ज्वलंत गायन के स्वर से झाड़, bushes or weeds, झंखाड़, a cluster of thorny bushes, dagdh, put on fire, burnt out. Jwalant Gayan is energetic or aggressive song. The poet says that the spark of revolt is so intense that because of its effect, all the weeds, all the thorny bushes around are smothered. They are destroyed, burnt out. The poet here wishes to convey that the revolt against the social evils would be so intense that it will wipe out all the uncivilized practices and will cleanse the society. रुद्ध गीत की क्रुद्ध तान है निकली मेरे अंतर मन से. रुद्ध गीत is the song that is struck. Kruddhatan, aggressive tone. The aggressive tone of the song that is struck or not yet expressed is rising from my inner self. The poet says that the song arising from my inner self is no ordinary song. It is so powerful as to wipe out and burn all the obstacles which comes in the path of progress and advancement of my society. कण कण में है व्याप्त वही स्वर, रोम रोम गाता है वह ध्वनि. कण कण में है व्याप्त वही स्वर. The voice arising from the song of the poet has spread to each and every particle around him. Kan is a particle. That is, he has spread his thought in such a way that there is a revolt all over, all around. Rom rom gata hai vah dhvani. Rom rom, every bit of him, every part of him is echoing the same sound and the same voice, spreading the message of the need to change. वही तान गाती रहती है कालकूट फण की चिंतामणि. वही तान गाती रहती है. Every part of the poet's body is filled with this desire to revolt and is compelling him to bring about the change. Kalkut Fani Chintamani. Kalkut is deadly poisonous. Fani, snake. Chintamani or Nagmani is a wish fulfilling gem. Kalkut Fani Chintamani. This line means just as a snake is concerned about his Chintamani and protects it, in the same way the poet upholds his desire for revolution and change. In other words, as we find Chintamani studded on the forehead of the snake adorning it, in the same way the impulse to bring about a change adorns the character of the poet. आज देख आया हूँ, जीवन के सब राज समझ आया हूँ. The poet says that he has discovered all the secrets of life and has also understood, realized the means to bring about the desired change. भ्रू विलास में महानाश के पोषक सूत्र परख आया हूँ. He says that he understood that with a slight expression of your brows. Bhru vilas. Bhru vilas is to raise your brows. When do we raise our brows? To express our anger. Poet says that by just raising his brows and expressing his anger through his words, he can bring about a change. He can prepare the minds for destruction, that is revolution. Poshak Sutra Parakh Aaya Hoon. He has realized the Poshak Sutra. Poshak Sutra are the factors that lead to the revolution, the change-inducing factors. He is now well aware of the factors triggering the revolution and bring change in the society. Therefore, the poet now wishes to end all the evil practices and build a new society. He says that there should be a change in the thoughts, and when there is a change in the thinking, it brings about a revolt, and this will ultimately reconstruct the society. हमारा समाज विभिन्न प्रकार की कुरीतियों और समस्याओं से ग्रस्त है. Our society is in the grip of the various social evils and problems. अनेक समाज सुधारकों के कठिन प्रयास के बावजूद आज भी हमारे समाज में असमानता, जातीयता और सांप्रदायिकता जैसी कई प्रकार की विषमताएं व्याप्त हैं. In spite of the great struggles of various renowned social reformers, there still exists inequality, casteism, and communalism in our society. जब तक हमारे समाज से ये बुराइयां दूर नहीं होती, तब तक समाज का विकास नहीं हो सकता. As long as these evils of the society are not emancipated or eradicated, there will not be any development or progress. समाज का नवनिर्माण और विकास देश के नागरिकों के सहयोग से ही संभव है. The development and renovation of a society can be accomplished only with the cooperation of its citizens. अतः समाज में सकारात्मक बदलाव लाने के लिए अगर क्रांति का सहारा भी लेना पड़े तो हमें पीछे नहीं हटना चाहिए. Therefore, in order to bring about a positive change in our society, if we have to resort to revolution, we should not hesitate. Let's revise. कवि देशवासियों से क्या आह्वान करता है? What does the poet call his countrymen for? विप्लव या क्रांति का आह्वान. The poet calls his countrymen for revolution. कवि देशवासियों को कैसी तान सुनाना चाहता है? What tone does the poet want to convey to the countrymen? कवि ऐसी तान सुनाना चाहता है जिससे चारों तरफ हलचल मच जाए. The poet wants to recite such a tone that can create a bustle all around. कवि क्रांति के गीत क्यों गाना चाहता है? Why does the poet want to sing songs of revolution? कवि विप्लव गान द्वारा लोगों को समाज के नव निर्माण के लिए जागृत करना चाहता है. The poet wants to make people go for the reconstruction, now nirman of the society by a Viplav Gayan, by the call for revolution. कवि के कंठ से निकले गीत का क्या प्रभाव पड़ेगा? What will be the effect of the song that comes out of poet's throat? कवि के कंठ से निकले गीत से सामाजिक कुरीतियों का नाश हो जाएगा. The song coming from the poet's throat will destroy the social evils. इस कविता में वीणा किसका प्रतीक है? What does veena symbolize in this poem? कवि के हृदय का. It symbolizes the heart of the poet. That was Viplav Gayan by Bal Krishna Sharma Naveen. Let's work together to build a strong nation. Hope you have understood the explanation of this poem. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video with a new lesson.